Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to polish our website more. Um, in this case, we're going to add a third-party app to work with our editor and our admin. We want a HTML editor, for example, um, we want to add like CKEditor. This is an HTML editor. We want to add this to our admin. Because as you can see, we go to our armies when we create our post. Is this just annoying and in like boring content with no like we no style or anything, like image is just like plain text. So we don't have like we can add like a picture or a link or anything. Useless basically. So this is not very helpful. We need to make it like easier. So yeah. So this is very important. Because we're going to add like third-party apps. There are many third-party apps that you can just install in your Django project and integrate it with your Django project. Just so you don't have to like, as I said, like reinvent the wheel, like and like create something that is already created, right? Why just not like import it like in our um, Django project, and that's the beauty of all of these, right? Let's just use it. Yeah. So the first thing that we need to do, let's just stop this, is install a CKEditor. Um, in order to do that, let's go to the here the command line start like pip install. That's how you basically install all the third-party apps. Django and editor. Um, yep, and yeah, we just installed it. Okay, now we can just Python manage on server. Okay, so after we install our third-party app, we need to activate it. Let's go to our settings here, and then here, let's go and put and second editor, right? Just put that here so we know. Oops, third party apps. So like from here, so we will add like all the third party apps that are in our Django project, right? It's a CKEditor. Let's just add a comma here. Boom. Here we go. Okay. Um. Yeah. In our settings, we need to also like make some changes. If you go to the CKEditor, Django. Oh, oops. Django CKEditor. If you go here, and you can like, as you can see, you need to have like all of these configurations in the settings path, like that file. You can just copy that and it should be fine, or just copy this, right? I will just go ahead and let's go here at the bottom. Let's just copy this one. Let me see. Let me see if there is one that we can copy. Let me see. I just put So just copy this one. Set. Paste it. Toolbar full, and this is the. We don't need to change like the size of or anything. So just leave it like that. Let me see what we can add. I think we can add like update. Yeah, I can just have like update, and then add image, update. We want tables. All of this is in the documentation, right? This is not horizontal rule. We want a rule too, right? We're basically like adding like Microsoft Word to our Django admin. That's for like emojis and special chart. Boom. Yeah, that's it. Save. Okay, now that we have that, we need to make some changes in our past like models because we want let's we want it this way, and let's import this field from CKEditor. CKEditor is like let me see. Edit fields. See, yeah, we want to import this. We want to import like the CKEditor, upload other fields, import, because we want to import like the we want to support like file because we want to put like pictures and whatever. Rich, rich test. Yeah, I just copy this, right? Oops, just copy that. Boom. So what we do now, we copy this. Oops, copy. And then in our post here, we need to add this field to the content. We need to modify the content. So what we do now, we just paste it here, like boom, that's it. Now our content will have this field from the CKEditor. Yeah. Now let's go to our URLs in our Django project. So like here, what we're going to do, we want to remember that we're adding that we want to add like pictures and files in our like CKEditor content. So we need to include the URL for those pictures that will be stored. So here we add like path. I will just name it like CKEditor, and then include CKEditor uploader URLs. That's in the here in the documentation. You can look it up. It tells you to do that. So yeah. So yeah, we have our URLs. We have everything. Oh, we're forgetting something. So what we do when we make changes in the models, we run the migrations. So let's do that. Make migrations. We have a problem here. Um, oh yeah, we're forgetting about this. This is very important. Let's go to our settings. Perfect. So in our configuration, we need to let's put oops third party apps settings. So in our CKEditor, we are forgetting where to upload the pictures or the files that will be in our content, right? We need to set a path. Well, we just need to put CKEditor upload upload path will be equal to, yeah, basically I just name it like that, like CKEditor. You can just name it whatever you want. I just put it that way. You can just put it like content files, pictures, whatever. I'll just name it like CKEditor because I know where those pictures and everything comes from. Okay, save. Let's see. Yeah, and now let's clear that, and now let's run our migrations. No module name like CKEditor uploader URLs. Oh, yeah, the thing is that I forgot to put the, let me see, CKEditor uploader URLs. Let me see. Yeah, just copy this, just in case we don't probably have a typo or something. We don't need that. That's old stuff. Okay, save. Let's see now. Clear. Oh, yep, it's working. We make the migrations. Now we made a migration. Let's now migrate. Okay, we just modify our model. Let's just run our server to test. Run server. Okay, so just go to our admin, post, and add. Boom. And here we go. Here is our content. Great. Let's make some changes. Let's make a post. Choose a picture. No. Oh yeah, that beauty. New porch orange, 9 element, hyper blue, whatever. Okay, oops. Today, yep, just put technology. Okay, so like here now you can add like more stuff. For example, like let me just. This is basically like Microsoft Word or like Google Docs, where you basically like it's like a text editor, right? You can just see you have like more style and everything. And you can also create a table. You see, boom. Like I don't know, like fruits, pigs, apple, um, whatever, whatever, whatever. Yeah, I'm using tab. Look how nice. Yeah, and also you can add pictures here in your content. For example, like if you click here and then now you go to upload, choose the file. We just put the same picture, I don't care. And then you click like send it to the server. Boop, here we go. Here's our picture. You can like modify like the properties. You just click OK. And as you can see, here's our picture. You can just put in the, you can just like, I don't know. And also you can open this in like full screen so you can just work with that. Just click that again. And yeah, this is basically pretty much how it is. You can add lots of stuff here. Um, you can also add like hyperlinks, and if you want to see like the HTML how it looks in HTML, you can just click like source. If you want to copy a HTML like template that you have or whatever, you just paste it here and like you will see. Just click that. Yeah, it is for our iframe. I I think that you can. Let me see. Let me just open YouTube. Um, I don't know.
Is your agency using WordPress?
Share, embed. This is iframe. Let me just copy that. You can just copy that. Boom. My source. Let's paste it here. Boom. Yeah, let's see. And here is the iframe. And yeah, that's how it is. Let's click save now. Boom. And now let's see our post. It is the new post. Interesting. Okay, so this is a Django security thing, as we are like passing like HTML from our like. We need to modify that. Let's go to our index, and then no post detail. Yeah, in our content, we just need to add this tag, but save and save. So we're basically saying like, hey, this is safe to render. Like, don't worry, it's saying that. And then, boom, here we go. Yeah, as you can see, the pictures, the little table, and the iframe. Yep, everything works great now. So I will finish this series here, and eventually we're going to continue with this series and add more fixtures. You can continue adding more fixtures and let me know in the comments like what you did. I will leave the full project of this repository in a GitHub repository just so you can take a look. You can take a look and everything. Remember that there is some homework that you can do that you have to do. It might not be available in the repository. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you think this video or like this series is helpful, share it with someone or your family or someone who's just starting to code. And yeah, I hope that you liked it, and I hope that I explained it and that you learned something. Like any improvement that I have to make, just leave in the comment, please. Um, Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.